My name is Brian Stewart. I'm a local 46 plumber. I'm also a vice president of VR Mechanical. I've been in the industry for 13 years now. Our current fabrication process is we fully 3D BIM our mechanical rooms for ease of transportation and installation on site. First impression of the 107V is that it's very robust, it looks stronger, and easy to install.
My name is Dale Leach. I've been in the industry for 25 years. I've worked for VR Mechanical for 12. Well, the quick couplings are useful in working in the mechanical rooms where you can't do a lot of welding. You can buckle them up, and the speed is a lot faster to installing a coupling than having someone weld that joint.
The new fittings are definitely better to handle. The reduced weight is a huge add for us. It helps our guys install longer, install more efficiently, and that's key for our business. Lining the product's very simple. You have indication marks on the coupling and the fitting.
It's easy to line them up and not use a level on them.
The new 107V is very easy to indicate whether it's been installed correctly. It has very key visual aspects to it that allow you to know that it's fully bolted down.
The new couplings give me confidence because they have stops on them that you don't over torque them. They have a stopping mechanism on it, and you know you're not doing one side up tighter than the other.
With the 107V, you eliminate that. You can fully torque each bolt, eliminating that back off. Anytime you can find a product that helps you install faster for our consumer, for our developers, for our end user, and also not compromise the system, that's a huge benefit to us. It'll improve how we verify our installation. So currently we have to go back and verify your old coupling to make sure that the bolt patterns are met. And we do that with indicating with spray paint. Now we'll have confidence that we don't have to go back and verify.
I would continue using this coupling in the build because you can't over torque them and you feel secure that the coupling's done.
Victaulic is great. It allows us to be more creative with our design. It allows us to get into tighter spaces. It gives us confidence within the system. We're able to install things quicker, faster, and it's very reliable without compromising anything. Well, like all Victaulic products, the speed of installation versus welded is very drastic. If I could use two words to explain this, it'd be installation confidence.